When a girl gets married, a lot of tips are given to her. उसको काफ़ी कुछ सिखाया जाता है उसके पेरेंट्स से, उसके रिलेटिव से, उसके फ्रेंड्स जो एक्सपीरियंस्ड है. एक माहौल बनाया जाता है कि अगर आप शादी करो तो आप ये चीज़ें इनकाउंटर करेंगे. सो प्रैक्टिकली अ गर्ल इज़ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम प्रिपेयर्ड कि व्हाट इज़ शी गोइंग टू इनकाउंटर एंड हाउ हर लाइफ इज़ गोइंग टू चेंज. बट व्हाट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड ओवर हियर इज़ एक लड़के को नहीं समझाया जाता है. Most of the families today, I'm not talking about the current generation, but the generation earlier, the millennials and above, उनको नहीं सिखाया जाता कि लड़कों को क्या करना है, उनकी लाइफ कैसे चेंज हो जाएगी, उनके क्या क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है, ये सब नहीं बताया जाता है. So there's a saying which many of the Indian families can relate to, जो लड़कों को यूजुअली कहा जाता है कि शादी कर ले, वो तुझे ठीक कर देगी आके. Now this is what goes as a programming in the mindset of that man or the boy, and वो ना जम जाता है वहाँ पे. So now I'll tell you what happens. A wife or the woman comes with the expectation of seeking companionship, right? And the man comes कि ये तो मुझे फिक्स कर लेगी, मेरी आदतें खराब है, ये तो मुझे ठीक कर लेगी. Now what happens is it creates an imbalance in the marriage. Your marriage actually becomes a therapy session where one person, technically the wife, keeps on giving and giving and giving, and one person, which is the man, keeps on receiving. And the worst part is वो receiving उसको help नहीं करता because he has this mindset कि ये तो मुझे fix कर देगी. No matter what I do, she is going to fix it. So this becomes the foundation of a troubled marriage, and it has nothing to do with either the woman or the man. It has something to do with the programming जो उस लड़के को दिया गया. Now what happens in this scenario? There are three fundamental things that happens in these kind of scenarios. One, unmet needs. Second, silent rejection. And third, the woman feels that I'm not good enough. No matter how much try, nothing is getting balanced. And that is the core reason why a lot of women feel that they are losing themselves to it. So I have a question for all of you. To all the women who feel that you are not worthy of love or you are not the right fit, it is not about you. It is about someone who has the wrong conditioning to believe that you are here to fix them. Marriage is not about fixing people. Marriage is about companionship. And if you don't feel whole and hearted in a marriage, that marriage is definitely not the soul aligned marriage for you.